optimal choice of the consumer. Preference of the consumer and the optimum point of preference. In economics, it is regarded that as rational being, the consumers know which bundles of goods should be appropriate for them, and thus their preferences have been formed. The concern lies there where the consumers have to move to that point marked with highest possible indifference curve as given in a budget set. If we can compare a point below the budget line, there must be some point where consumer can get at least one of the goods more, and thus the consumer with monotonic preferences opts that. It cannot be possible above the budget line. Thus, the optimum bundle that a consumer can opt is always on the budget line.
Equality of marginal rate of substitution and the ratio of prices.
The optimum goods which is opted by the consumer is located at the point where one of the indifference curves touches tangentially the budget line. That is, the absolute value of the indifference slope and the price ratio becomes the same, the point. We know that the curve's slope depicts the rate at which the consumer substitutes one good for the other. In brief, the price ratio greater than the marginal ratio of preference can't be the optimum. Problem of choices. In some cases, it is argued that the consumer's optimum choice lying on the point if she spends her whole money on one good only in a day. The budget set is considered the feasible set which the consumer can opt, and the different bundles of two goods are given in the respective market rates, like the alternatives.
For more such videos on all subjects, practice questions, and a lot more, download iPrep and learn unlimited.